So Obimy 3.0 app is here. There are a lot of new features, completely new design, and I just created this video tutorial for you to better understand this new app, how it works. Maybe you never heard about it, then this video is also for you. I think it's amazing app, so check it out. So here's Obimy app, the first sensor jar. And I already did a bunch of tutorials and overviews about this app. I liked it a lot. And this is a new version of Obimy 3.0, and it's actually the interface is completely different. So let's just go through it together. So you can send more new senses, more free actions you can do with close ones. Massage, hold the hand, pinch the cheeks, and all of that. You can create custom senses, 14 senses for free. You can share mood and describe what you specifically feel. There are 17 color schemes. You can get notifications. And yeah, like for the newbies, it has never been so simple to understand what is a sense and how to send it despite the distance between the close ones. So this is Obimy 3.0. This is a new version of the app. So let's just go through it. So the whole idea of the app is pretty neat, that you can send these senses to your friends or partners or loved ones. For example, I have my account, and then I have my friend or my partner, and then I can just tap on it, and then I can send a virtual kiss. So that's how it works. And I don't need to write long text messages. I don't need to think what to write, what is the right message. I can just send this virtual hug. And this I'm doing it for free, and it's especially cool for long distance relationships where you constantly need to remind about yourself or about your feelings and stuff like that, and apps like Obimy can really help you out to do this. So, and then you see these notifications that will arrive to your phone. That's basically how it works. Maybe there is also some additional vibration. And then you can just hug in reply. Then you can tap me, and that's how you can share your mood like this. And then you can add, this is a new feature. You can share it like this, and then you can send it to your closed ones. And then that's basically that. And then there are some new functionalities. It says it will be implemented soon. So there you have it like this. So that's the idea of it. And then you have your profile. In your profile, you have these features where you can see your steps today. You can see your BPM. So that's basically that. So basically, steps today, everything is just taken from your health kit. So basically, you can connect your health kit. Make sure to do that. And BPM is your heart rate. That's a really cool feature about the Obimy app, that you can track your heart rate and then send your heart rate or your request, a mood, or anything from your loved ones. So that's basically the idea of it. And to make it accessible, you need to connect your app to the health kit, and then you need to have some watch device. It won't work just with your phone. So just so you know, you need to have either Apple watch or some Android watch or anything like this. And then add sizes. I don't know, this will be some clothing sizes. And now you can customize your colors. There are a lot of different colors here now. And then you can just sign up. There is a new free trial. Before it was just like a one pack purchase, but now it's you can select my senses for monthly $2.99. 6 new colors, fresh senses, birthday is tomorrow, and then all of that. And that's like there is a monthly subscription now. So before this Obimy 3.0, there was only one purchase, one-time purchase. Now there is a monthly subscription, and that's how it's working. So you can edit your profile. If you want to delete your account, you can easily delete it from settings. It's understandable. Then you need to go to your HealthKit app and just allow, give access to Obimy app here. So you can just do it from here. So you will be able to add this HealthKit Obimy app, and then here is your mood, and that's basically how it's working. Then there is your profile. There is language. There are 2 languages, English and Ukrainian. That's great. So you can do that. Then log out, restore purchases. Basically, if you bought the Obimy app on some other phone, you can easily restore it and you don't need to upgrade again. Or you change your phone to a new one. There is also this support. You can reach out to support@obimy.com for additional details. There is a user ID. So to add close ones, to add your partner, you can search by nickname, but yeah, it says will be implemented soon because this app is still in the early process. The team is working really hard to implement all the features. But what you can do, you can just tap to share your link, and for example, I just want like that, and this is how I share the link, and people will be able to add me. So that's basically the idea, how you can add that, and then you can share it with your friends. So here is just some overview how you can do it, and then so yeah, these are some of the updates. I was just like curious what else is new here, and then there are like 14 sentences for free. You can share your mood and describe what you there are 17 different tasty, sweet, and classy colors. There are still so many updates coming to this app, but this is just a preview what you can see here. So that's that. So hopefully this was a nice quick overview. Sorry for all the noises around it. I'm just a bit outside, but I was just like super excited to just share with you this Obimy 3.0 app. Probably I will just do another quick tutorial when I discover and play with it a bit more with this new design and in a bit more quiet environment. So that's basically it. Enjoy it. It's a free app and hope you like it.